Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After our comparison review of the O20 Ultra versus the Fit O20 with its design and specs as well as the UI, this time we are going to compare the menus and features. So we'll check the offered menus for both wearables. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables when it comes to offered features, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the features of the Fit O20 Ultra compared with the Fit O20. Okay, again, for the UI and design, let's check it first. On the bottom part, on the left side, on the right side. Then again, for the menus, we have it here. So both do have an activity tracking here, automatic activity tracking. We also have here workout records. Let's see. We have the workout records, exercise records here. We have the Bluetooth call. We have, let's check, sports. So where are the sports functions here? Okay, where is our sports functions? We have here the exercise. So it is named or labeled as exercise. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports. More. And we have, let's see. Okay, popular. Indoor sports, water sports. You almost have the same sports category here, just different labels. Okay, both do have a comprehensive list of sports functions. We have blood oxygen monitoring. We also have a music control here. We have relaxation heart rate. So where is our heart rate? We have it here. Simple UI here for the O20 Ultra. We have a message notification, shutter. We have an alarm. They almost have the same features here. Alarm and timer. Alarm. Find phone. We have a calculator. We have the games. Only one game here. Okay, let's check. Do we have other games? No, only one game. Almost the same here. We have the flashlight also and a calculator. Okay, seems like they both have the same menu offerings here. Let's see. We have also AI voice, relaxation, breathing guide. We have pressure here. This is relaxation. Seems like we don't have a breathing guide here for the O20. Okay, for the settings, let's see. We have display here, brightness, watch face, screen off time. We don't have a menu view here. We have raise to wake, wrist drop. Okay, slightly different for the display settings here or display options. We have a vibrate and ring. So we do have here the layout, the menu options. Okay, let's adjust here. Sleep. Let's make it 20. Screen off time. Let's make it 20 also. Go back. But I like the style here or the layout of the menu. Phone, passcode, shortcut cards, drain, power saving mode. They almost have the same menu offering here for the O20. I guess maybe the difference here is on the design. Okay, it's more on the design when it comes to the difference. We have a curved screen display here, metal body frame, plastic for the Fit O20, and 2.5D tempered glass. Again, we have here the smartwatches body frame. So what do you think of this wearable? Drop a comment below. Again, if you have any questions regarding these smartwatches, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.